Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from BBL 408. We in here we want to explain our presentation about our PBL project. Our project is my lab display laboratorium. Okay, next slide. My friend will explain the slide.
The member roles and contribution from our team are as follow. Saib led the team and handled front-end programming. Joy and Nora work on system design and UI design. Kavit analyzed the features and connected the website to the microcontroller. Nuri analyzed the product benefits and prepared the documentation.
There is our objective and problem statement. The first is uncertainty in room availability. At Polytechnic Batam, students, janitors, and lecturers often struggle to know the real-time status of classrooms. The second is manual schedule process. Most rooms also lack update displays to the current subject or lectures. The third is no information on lecture presence. Lecture rooms face similar issues with no visibility into who's present. And our solution is need for an integrated digital system to display room status, schedule, and lecture availability in the real time.
Okay, the next is our product features. In this website, our website allows admin to manage data for laboratory and lecturer rooms as well as user accounts. Lab assistant can update room status and input schedule based on the academic calendar. And all data is synchronized automatically with the Pentro IF system, so everything stays updated in real time. For the IoT display, the display shows the current room status, whether it's available in usage or under maintenance. It also displays the current course, upcoming schedule, even past session. In lecturer rooms, we use face recognition to detect lecturer attendance and display their presence on screen. And all information is shown live on a monitor near the room. The benefit of our system is with this system, user can get real-time updates on room availability and lecturer presence. The current and upcoming schedule display help everyone know what's happening in the room at any time. For admin, the integrated website and Pendro synchronization makes schedule management much easier. For lab assistants, also get benefit from a simpler way to update room usage based on the academic plan. And lastly, face recognition helps automate lecturer attendance and making it faster and more accurate. Okay, next. This is the flowchart of our laboratory display system. In this flowchart shows how the system works to display room availability from the website database. The process starts when the Raspberry Pi auto boots and connects to Wi-Fi. Once connected, it immediately sends a request to the API to get the data from the website database. This data includes room status and schedule information. And then uh, the system display the status and schedule information. The systems uh, the system display in real time. After that, it continuously checks if there's any change in status such as updated room usage or schedule. If any change detected, the Raspberry Pi send another API request to get the latest data and refresh the display. If there is no change, the system keeps running in standby mode and will only update when needed. The next slide is the flowchart of lecturer rooms. It also starts when the Raspberry Pi is turned on and automatically boots and then connect to the Wi-Fi network. Once connected, the display also display the presence information of the lecturer. The camera will start only when a face detected approaching. Once a lecturer face detected, the camera captures the image and identifies the lecturer. If not detected, the camera keeps running and capturing. Once the lecturer face is recognized, the system will return to the display mode and updates the information of the person as needed. After that, the process ends, but the system stays ready to run again if restarted.
And this is our design and equipment scheme. The first, the system use a Raspberry Pi 4 as central controller. Connect to an HDMI display for showing real-time room status, schedule, and message. A camera enable face recognition to automatically record lecture attendance. Data is retrieved from a flash-based backend over Wi-Fi, supporting wireless update. Compact, low powder, and easy to maintain. It is ideal for installation at classroom or meeting room entrance.
The next is the specification and operation of the device in this project are as follows. This device is designed to display real-time room availability using Raspberry Pi 4 connected to a monitor via HDMI. The Raspberry Pi acts the central controller, automatically retrieving and updating data such as room status, class schedules, and lecturer attendance from a web-based platform over a Wi-Fi connection. Lecturer attendance is captured through facial recognition technology, enhancing the accuracy and efficiency of attendance tracking without the need for manual input. The system is programmed to refresh data periodically, ensuring that the information displayed is always current and reliable.
Okay. Okay. This is the implementation slide. Okay. We are gonna. I will explain the implementation. Okay. First, we have a code from Ruang Dosen 1 and RTF for RTF 4. There are there are code that contain peminjaman, kegiatan, waktu, and penanggung jawab. There are uh, there are API that that we that we take from Penru EF. Okay, the next slide. This is our database. This is our database. The first, there are there are ruang lab, aktivitas ruang lab, and the second aktivitas ruang dosen, jadwal matkul, then API. This API is contain Penru EF, Penru EF API. Okay.
And from the code that we have implemented and also the database, we get the website where we can perform our CRUD on it. We can update, create, and delete all the schedules for each rooms. And also we made a display for the lab. Next is the lesson learned. We learned 7 main courses in this semester that support us in making this project. Mainly there are calculus, artificial intelligence, software maintenance, software security, hardware programming, English, and IoT project planning. And each role of the course can be seen on the screen.
The next is documentation from our team. In this photo, we are meeting with the project manager to review the progress of our PBL, discuss revisions from the final AAS, and demonstrate the system on the monitor. In the other photo, we are resetting the Wi-Fi connection, designing the interface, and configuring the Raspberry Pi during the setup process.
Thank you for your all attention. That's all from me. Maybe there are few mistake. We glad to see you again. Okay. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.